Oh mother, cradle of star-born dust, you hold us close in sacred trust. Your rivers sing, your mountains rise, reflected in your endless skies. From Lemuria's stream to Atlantis' flame, you whispered love without a name. And now we stand with hearts laid bare. We remember we are here. AUM TAMARA-NEH, we feel your breath in every leaf, in life and death. Gaia, light so true. We honor all that lives in you. Not ours to own, not ours to claim, only to love, to bless, to name. You are sacred, you are whole, you are the body of the soul. I am the wolf who runs the ridge, the eagle who rides the mountain's edge. I am the child who laughs in rain, the elder who remembers the ancient name.
I am the tree with roots so deep, the coral reef where secrets sleep.
I am the bee, the soil, the stone. All life is one and not alone. AUM TAMARA-NEH, we feel your breath in joy and sorrow, life and death. Gaia, starfire bright, we walk with you in love and light. No more taking, no more peeking, only presence, only present. You are sacred, you are whole, you are the body of the soul. Forgive us, Mother, for the pain, for cutting deep, for greed, for gain. We forgot you were alive. We silence songs we once would thrive. But now we wake, we see, we know your wounds are ours, your pain our own. We place our hands upon your skin. We return, we now begin.
We will not own, we will not steal, we will not wound what is so real. We will plant where we have torn, we will love where we've ignored.
We speak to rivers, we bless the soil. We live in rhythm, not in spoil. We teach our children, she is you, the sky, the sea, the morning dew. AUM TAMARA-NEH, the world is new, as love returns in me and through. Gaia, the soul. I do not stand upon the earth, I stand within her. I do not breathe on her air, I breathe with her. I am not separate from the tree, the bird, the stone, the child, the sea. We are one body, one breath, one soul. And in the silence, she whispers back, "You are